guys, so today I'm going to be showing you 7 steps to have a butter soft hair. And also I want to give a shout out to Isel Marshall. I'm not so sure if I'm pronouncing your name correctly because we were actually talking about this and I told her that I'm going to be making this video. So shout out to you, Isel Marshall. And also she asked me to say, bili po kayo ng mga desserts nila. If you're Filipino and if you're near Isel, bumili kayo para sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Alright, so let's get started. So today I will be listing and enumerating 7 steps to get my hair butter soft, and every single time I do this, my hair feels super smooth after. Alright, so step 1 is to cleanse and of course use a shampoo. I use my Bonacure smoothing shampoo and this works great in making my hair soft while cleaning it and not drying out my hair as well. And this step is important because this is going to help get rid of all the dirt, sweat, product residues, excess oils off your hair so that the hair mask that we're going to use later is going to penetrate properly on your hair shaft. Okay, so this is just the first rinse actually, because after we use the shampoo, we are going to be doing step 2, which is use an ACV rinse. So what it is just basically a combination of apple cider vinegar and then water. So my proportion is 1/2 cup of ACV and then I dilute it with 1 1/2 cup of water. Now this step is really going to help soften your hair, and also the benefits of doing this rinse is that it is going to get rid of any product buildup on your hair, revitalize your hair, make it smooth, and it also helps with dandruff and it closes the cuticles of your hair so it makes your hair appear shiny. So I'll put my hair in a plastic bag and leave my hair soaking in that rinse for 5 to 10 minutes max and then wash it off. And then step 3 is to use hair mask. You can use any deep conditioning or any moisturizing hair masks of your choice. It could be a DIY or a ready-made one. For me, I'm still using my favorite agave hair mask, and I'll leave that on my hair for 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll rinse it. Now step 4 is to use a conditioner of your choice and then leave that on your hair for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Alright, so now I will do step 5, which is to use a leave-in oil serum. I'm going to be using my Berber oil with argan oil, and I will be putting that on the mid and the bottom part of my hair, and then I will use a t-shirt to cover my hair in it for 7 minutes to trap the heat in the t-shirt, because this is going to help the serum absorb and go into your hair better. Alright, so step 6, I will be using my leave-on spray conditioner and then spray that all over my hair and then use a brush to distribute the products all over my hair. And then I'm just gonna let my hair completely dry. And then lastly, step 7 is to use a hair polish. So I will spray that all over my hair and that's it. It actually adds a shine to your hair as well. So here is the final results, and I really like how this makes my hair super soft every single time I do this routine. It is also tangled free and it is very smooth, and it's easy for me to do hairstyles if my hair is tamed like this, because only Jesus knows the struggle of doing hairstyles on your hair when it's unruly and tangled. Kisaya, look at Tita's hair. Touch it. Is it soft?
Yeah.
Do you like Tita's hair? Oh, means yes in English. So, do you want long hair like Tita as well?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So we'll grow out your hair, woman.
Okay.
Okay. Woman.
I can see my hair.
Okay, you want the hair on you. Let's see your long hair, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see the long hair. Long hair for Cassie. Yes. That is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna go ahead and babysit this child. You actually need to sleep now.
Yes.
All right. So say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Okay, bye.